Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Neha and our today topic is type of redox reaction. Now we start our topic, that is type of redox reaction. Mainly four type of redox reaction. First one is combination reaction, second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, and fourth one is disproportionation reaction. Three type of redox reaction you already studied in class 10th, and fourth one, that is disproportionation reaction, it is new term for you. तो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन. कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन क्या होता है? किसी भी रिएक्शन में अगर दो सब्सटेंस ऐड होके एक सिंगल सब्सटेंस और कंपाउंड फॉर्म करता है, उसको हम लोग कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. इंग्लिश में हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? द रिएक्शन इन विच टू और मोर सब्सटेंस कंबाइन टुगेदर टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल कंपाउंड or substance is known as combination reaction. And combination reaction also show redox reaction. यहाँ आप लोग देखिए दो सब्सटेंस दैट इज ए और बी, जब हम लोग उसको रिएक्शन कराएंगे एक दूसरे के साथ तो सिंगल कंपाउंड फॉर्म करेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल पे आप लोग ले लीजिए कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स CO2, it means carbon dioxide. Now we have to checking their oxidation or reduction, and both oxidation and reduction take place in a reaction that we call redox reaction. So here we can checking the redox reaction. We already studied the rules of oxidation number. So here single carbon, so its oxidation state is 0, and here double oxygen and it not combined with any other substance, so it also oxidation number is 0. Now here we know that the oxidation state of oxygen almost in all the compounds have -2, so the oxidation state of carbon is -2, and here we find the oxidation state of carbon. तो CO2 इक्वल टू x प्लस 2 इंटू -2 इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस -4 इक्वल टू 0. सो x इज इक्वल टू +4. दैट इज हियर. एंड सो द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ कार्बन इज +4, and I can return the reaction here. C0O20 gives CO2 +4 and -2. Here see that increase in oxidation number that we know as oxidation and decrease in oxidation number that is known as reduction. And here we all had studied this in the previous video or lecture. Increase in oxidation number that known as oxidation and decrease in oxidation number that is known as reduction. Here carbon oxidation number is 0, and in the product side its oxidation number is +4. It means that it increases. And here oxidation number of oxygen is 0, and the product side oxidation number of oxygen is -2. It means that it decreases. So both oxidation and reduction takes place, so it be called redox reaction. Now we move to our next type of redox reaction, that is decomposition reaction. Here decomposition reaction is just opposite to the combination reaction. It means in combination reaction हम लोग दो सब्सटेंस को ऐड करके सिंगल सब्सटेंस फॉर्म करते थे, और डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन जस्ट अपोजिट है उसका। सिंगल सब्सटेंस को ब्रेक करके हम लोग टू और मोर सब्सटेंस को फॉर्म करेंगे। So in the definition of decomposition reaction, we say that the reaction in which a single substance break into two or more components or substance, that is known as decomposition reaction. There are mainly three types of decomposition reaction which we studied in the class 10th. First one is electrical decomposition, second one is thermal decomposition, and third one is photochemical decomposition. Here you can see that example 8.26, H2O breaks into H2 plus O2. It is an example of electrical decomposition. And here you can see calcium carbonate breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is an example of thermal decomposition. And third one is photochemical decomposition. The decomposition takes place in the presence of sunlight, that is known as photochemical reaction. सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में कोई भी डिकम्पोजिशन, कोई भी सब्सटेंस ब्रेक होता है टू और मोर कंपाउंड और सब्सटेंस में, तो हम लोग को फोटोकेमिकल डिकम्पोजिशन बोलते हैं। एग्जाम्पल हो गया, हियर यू कैन सी silver chloride in the presence of sunlight, it break into silver plus chlorine. Now we move to our third type of redox reaction. Third type of redox, that is displacement reaction. The reaction in which less reactive matter displaces by more reactive matter to form new substance, that is known as displacement reaction. Once again I can say that the reaction in which more reactive matter displaces less reactive matter, that we call displacement reaction. There are mainly two types of displacement reaction. First one is metal displacement and second one is non-metal displacement. Metal displacement means more reactive matter displaces less reactive matter. For example, you can see that copper sulfide plus zinc gives copper plus zinc sulfate. And it also shows redox reaction. Here you can see that in the reactant side, oxidation number of copper is +2, sulfur is +4 and oxygen -2, and zinc is not combined with any compound or substance, so its oxidation state is 0. Now we move to the product side. So copper is less reactive than zinc, so zinc displaces copper, so its oxidation state is 0 because it not combined with any one atom or substance. And here Zn-SO4, zinc has oxidation state is +2, sulfur as its same in the reactant or product +4, and oxygen is -2, and copper has 0 oxidation state. So in the reactant side, copper has +2 charge on it, and in the product side it becomes 0. So it becomes decreases, and it taking decrease in oxidation state, that is known as reduction. And here you can see that in the reactant side, the oxidation state of zinc is 0 and product side +2, it becomes increases. So increase in oxidation state, that is known as oxidation. So both oxidation and reduction takes place, so we call it also a redox reaction. Now the second part of displacement reaction is non-metal displacement. In this displacement reaction, hydrogen is displaced, and rarely in some case oxygen also displaced. Here you can see that an example 8.33, that is sodium plus H2O gives sodium hydroxide plus H2. It means that here hydrogen it displaces from water and it become added to sodium and to form sodium hydroxide. Another example you can see that calcium plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen. It also a type of redox reaction. Now the last type of redox reaction, that is disproportionation reaction. In this reaction, the same species goes for oxidation as well as reduction. It is a special type of redox reaction. Here you can see the example H2O2 plus H2O plus O2. The same, here you can see the oxidation state of oxygen -1 and the reactant side, in the product side, oxidation state is -2 and 0. So the same species goes for reduction as well as oxidation. In the reactant side -1 and in the product side -2. It means that it decreases, so it can take in redox reaction. And another, in the same product side, it oxidation state is 0, so it increases -1 to 0, so it take place oxidation. So same species go for reduction as well as oxidation. So यहाँ पे मेरा वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे redox reaction कैसे बैलेंस करें, हाउ टू बैलेंस द redox reaction. Thank you very much and support me and all the very best. पढ़ाई करते रहें अच्छे से. ओके बाय.